Hey there everyone, welcome to another command block tutorial video here on the channel, and this one is a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I just kind of woke up this morning and thought, could I do this in Minecraft? And you can actually do it. And as you can see behind me, I have some woodland mansions behind me, but I've actually placed these using command blocks and this bow I'm holding right here. So the whole idea behind this tutorial is to make a mansion bow that when the arrow hits the ground, it will spawn one of these woodland mansions, and that is exactly what I have done in this video. So for example here, if I wanted to put a mansion right here next to this birch forest, then I can aim it up, and when the arrow actually hits the ground, you can see that the mansion actually gets spawned in. So this actually works with this type of bow only. So if I get myself another bow right here, you'll notice that if I use an ordinary bow, this does not occur. It only happens with that particular bow that I'm using right here. So within this video, I'm going to basically show you the commands I'm using and the command blocks, and I will show the commands in a text editor so I can show you them in more detail. Alright everyone, in order to get this little system to work here, this little fun little feature, I'm actually using only two command blocks to get this to work. So a repeating command block and a chain command block. And both of these are always active within this. Now, I'm going to use these signs right here to kind of explain what the commands are actually doing. But the first off, we actually need the command that gives us the bow in the first place. I'm going to go through that in just a moment here. Now, these two command blocks right here. Now, the first command block right here is checking for special arrows in the ground. Basically, that is what it's checking for, and if it finds any of those, it's then going to spawn the mansion in. So this also spawns the mansion, so I'll put on here spawns mansion. Okay, so that is what this command block does. And then this one removes any special arrows in the ground. So this is only done after this one. So it spawns the mansion and then removes the arrow afterwards. Now, that is very important, because if you don't do that, then the mansion will just spawn over and over and over again, which is not what we want. That would not be very good for our world right here, but that is the general system. Now, I'm going to show you in a text editor these in more detail. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and these are the three commands we're going to go through. The first command is giving us the special bow, and the other two are for the command blocks. Okay, now these commands will also be in the description of the video as well, and these commands should be in all one line. I just have some of these commands on separate lines, so it's easier to show you in this editor right here. But for the first command right here that's giving us the bow, all we're really doing is using a give command and giving the nearest player a particular bow. Now, what we're actually doing here is how we're actually making the special bow only work in certain circumstances is we're giving the bow an absurd power enchantment on the bow. So in this case, we're using level 80 as our chosen level, and because of that, the arrows that it fires out will be a certain damage value when they actually get shot out from the bow. And we're going to get into that in just a moment here, but that is what this is. We have an enchantments collection with the level 80 power enchantment. We then have HideFlags 1. All that really does is hide the enchantment on the item so that it doesn't show up when you look at it in the inventory. And then we have a display name tag where, as the text, we provide mansion bow as an item name. So that is the first command, pretty straightforward. And now we're going to get into the magic of how we're actually placing the mansion in the first place. Okay, so within this command right here, we have /execute @e, And then we have type equals Minecraft arrow. So we're only checking arrow entities in the game. And then we're going to be checking for certain data tags on those arrows. So the first one is that inGround is 1B. So this only targets arrows that have actually hit a block. So any arrows that are currently in flight will not be affected by this. And then we've got the damage right here, which is for 42.5D. So that is the damage that the arrow has if a level 80 bow is used. Okay. If you use a different kind of bow, then the damage will be different. So bear that in mind. Then you do run, and then we run this command right here. If that is successful, we run place structure Minecraft : mansion and then tilde characters, which means that it will place it at the location of the arrow. So that is how we're placing the mansion. And then this second one right here is actually removing the arrow. So we're doing a kill command right here. So this is /kill. And we have type Minecraft arrow, and then we're checking for the same data tags. So it only removes the special arrows that we're actually shooting out. And that is about it. So one command to give yourself a bow, and then 2 command blocks in order to get this to work. And obviously this can work with lots of other structures in the game. I just decided to use a woodland mansion within this video. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this Minecraft command block tutorial video right here. Hopefully this was a bit of fun and you enjoyed the video. If you did, then a like and subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit notification bell so you stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my socials, they're on screen right now or in the description. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a nice day. I hope to do some more tutorials soon. Stay happy and healthy as always, and bye-bye.